Hello guys, and welcome back to another Spider Monkey English. Today's exercise is a reading comprehension exercise. And as always guys, please like my page and also hit that subscribe button down there for me if you have not already done so. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. Are you ready? Are you ready for this reading comprehension exercise? This exercise is called the Pet Shop. I think you're going to enjoy it. Let's go. Cody and his sister April decide they want a dog. They head down to the local pet store and have a look around. It is a very small pet store that doesn't have many animals. The owner of the shop is a nice old man named Mr. Smith. He walks over and greets Cody and April. "How can I help you?" he asks. "We would like to buy a dog," April responds. "Ah, well, we are not a big pet shop," Mr. Smith tells her, "so we only have 2 dogs to choose from." They ask Mr. Smith to show them the dogs. Mr. Smith leads them to the back of the store where the 2 dogs are. One of them is a very big bulldog named Buster. The other is a very tiny Chihuahua named Teacup. April wants Teacup, but Cody wants Buster. They walk outside to discuss it. They can't agree on a dog. April suggests they race home for it. The winner of the race chooses the dog. Cody agrees, then tells April her shoelace is untied. When April looks down, he runs off and gets a head start. Cody runs as hard as he can. He really wants that bulldog. He looks back. April is so far behind, he can't even see her. Cody finally gets home. He is tired, but he is happy. He knows he is the winner. April arrives a few minutes after Cody. She congratulates him. They return to the pet store to purchase Buster the bulldog. However, when they arrive, they only see Teacup the Chihuahua. They asked Mr. Smith, "Where is Buster?" Mr. Smith gives the details. He explains that a few minutes after April and Cody leave, 2 boys walked in and bought the bulldog. Cody looks at April and she holds back a smile. Cody sighs. He turns back to Mr. Smith and says, "Sometimes you win the race, but not the prize." Cody smiles sadly and says, "We'll take the Chihuahua, please." The end. Well, that's the end of the... Thank you, guys. I hope you enjoyed that English reading comprehension exercise about the pet shop. It's kind of interesting, wasn't it? Practice, guys. Practice is the key to understanding the English language. And I will see you during the next English exercise. Bye.